With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
So the question is that in bryophytes and algae, lunaric acid replaces, and the option is oxin, gibberellin, cytokinin, and abscisic acid. So talking about this lunaric acid is basically a growth inhibitor. Now, this role is basically played in case of plant by the hormone called the abscisic acid. Abscisic acid basically acts as a growth inhibitor in case of plant. So we can say that this abscisic acid is basically replaced by lunaric acid in bryophytes, algae, ferns, etc. So the correct answer to this question is abscisic acid. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.